Hey guys, and welcome again to the channel. In this video today we're going to talk about the gear I use. Also stay tuned for this wonderful collaboration I made with the following YouTubers in Trinidad and Tobago. So hey guys, welcome back to the channel. As the intro says, we're going to do a BTS, or basically a behind the scene of all the gear I use to make my videos. But first of all, we're going to do this wonderful collaboration as explained in the beginning with famous YouTubers from Trinidad and Tobago, including Shine Story, Justin Barron, Lena Batiste of Red Wall News, and much more. Stay tuned during the video and let's get down to this vlog now. Right guys, we are now here for the behind the scenes. As I'm going to say, I'm going to be doing over all my gear and to explain which gear I use to do my YouTube videos. But first off, let's get into introducing you to the first set of these wonderful local content creators in Trinidad and Tobago.
Hold on.
Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Playhut. Hot as in fire.
Well, pandemic of COVID-19, also known as coronavirus. I thought that would be a quick and easy do-it-yourself.
This morning to do my civic duty. I hope you all do what you all have to do.
My gear is basically break down in three parts: A, V, L. A stands for audio, V stands for video, L stands for lighting. We're going to get straight into the first one, which is lighting. To get this smooth soft light as well as this light, currently using a softbox made by ESDDI. Links will be in the description. This light is made by Lyre. Lyre made this. This uses NPF batteries, Sony NPF batteries. This is actually the Viltrox VL162T. You can use it as a key light, background light, or a fill light. Next, we want to talk about audio. Audio is basically the main thing what pushes our video. You can have a very real sad looking video, but without the audio bad, nobody can watch that. So I upgraded my audio and we're going to talk about it now, and we're going straight down on the table to continue this part of the video. Also guys, this is the second part of the collaboration. We want to talk about the other YouTubers in this video who collaborated with me.
Party time, and then after party time we will leave and go in the arcade because the arcade was like walking distance away. While you walking,
Love is definitely in the house.
All the time.
So right guys, this is the Rode Videomicro. This is a shotgun style microphone which connects to your camera. If you guys want me to do a review on this, as well as the internet have lots of reviews on this, and it comes with the Rycote mount, the microphone, and the best thing about this microphone, the mount is very strong, the mic strong, the cable comes with very flexible and durable, and the best thing is the price. Also, this is a wind muff that comes with the Rode Videomicro. Currently hearing me now is actually the Mayano AU101. That is actually a lav mic. So basically you could put it on yourself and you get the microphone closer to yourself. Next we're going to talk about audio video. So this is my first technically camera I use, my camera phone, which was the Samsung Galaxy S5. The S5 is, well, mobile phone is one of the best things to start off YouTube with. To learn the controls as well as you get good at vlogging or making your type of video, whether it be cooking, tech, lifestyle, and so on. Afterwards, Christmas came and I'm buying the Canon M50. The Canon M50 is an APS-C size mirrorless camera. Works wonderful and came with the kit lens. The kit lens is a 15-45 with image stabilization in it, and it's actually a good focal length if you go and vlog. 15mm on an APS-C camera, multiply, so you check your crop factor, which would be 15 multiplied by 1.6, and which equivalent to around 30 to 25mm full frame. Say the APS-C size mirrorless camera, and comes with this strap as well as this lens. Also, a good accessory for the Canon M50 if you're shooting outside is an ND filter. This is an ND filter I bought from KNF. I'll put it up in the card so you can see the review I did on it. It's a great little ND filter, especially when you're outside in the broad daylight and your video won't look so shuttery. Also, this mic is for the Canon M50 and works wonders. Just set your audio and you're good to go with the wind muff when in the outside situation. A normal tripod. This is a tripod made by UBC where I modified it. Later on in the channel I'll give a review on this quick release as well as the tripod head I bought for this. And so guys, I'm going to take it back up now. Oh, by the way, we reached number 3 now on this segment for bigging up Trinidad and Tobago YouTubers. Let's go.
See lots, love in the house. And with that being said,
no push and shove in the house. Right now you're watching Love in the House. No boxing glove in the house. Why? Because there's love in the house.
Shine to president! Shine to president!
There's love in the house.
Shine to president! Shine to president!
So guys, thanks again for passing through. It has been a wonderful time. And expect more videos to come from the future. I'll have a follow video. Why haven't I been so active on YouTube? Or most of all, check out those content creators I have been referring to during the video. Most of all, like, share, comment, subscribe. Tell me if you're from Trinidad and Tobago. Tell me if you're interested in doing YouTube. It's really fun. It's a fun journey. Most of all, have a great day. Stay blessed. Most of all, stay safe, because we can fight this situation.